morning. Today is the 9th, Tuesday, 2016, August. Um, didn't capture this on video. Just wanted to show, give I guess feedback on my, how I'm doing today as far as my vlog. So today was a choppy day. At least the hours that I was trading. As you can see, I hit right at 10 contracts is where the most that I'm willing to trade. So no more than 10. So I'm right at 10, and that one worked out pretty well. Actually, I had a drawdown almost to where I got chopped up in this move. Oh, because mainly it's because of greed. I was trying to milk the output out of this, and so every entry that I was making was actually fairly decent, but I just kept moving my target and try to take a larger move. So anyhow, so I got chopped up on this one because right when I shorted this one, I you know quickly reversed on me and took me out, and then actually my first 7 trades was either break even or it was a full loser. So as a result, I was down 50 ticks. I believe 50 ticks was my my loser. So basically, I this was winning, but I was so hard-headed not to take profit. I just put my my stop um, break even plus 1 tick on this trade, and then did not anticipate this reversal candle reverse this. So I was trying to long it, got stopped out again, and I started shorting it again, and then I was able to my final short. Actually, it's probably best to show it on the 1 minute chart here. So let me get a 1 minute chart. So I think mainly part of my problem was with the 1 minute chart is because I was trading the 1 minute. And 1 second, my child or my daughter is oh, she was I thought she was gonna come into the room. Anyways, I was trading the 1 minute chart and looking at my 10 minute, and I think that's why I was kind of getting jigged out. So when I saw this dip, and when I got stopped out at this level, I knew there was going to be selling there again. So what I did is I put on a trade. My entry was 41 on the last one, and okay, baby, let me pause the video and I'll come back. Okay, so returning back, as soon as this candle opened, I mean when this candle formed, I was reading the tape. It was sure as fast, and I knew when I got stopped out uh, for that break even plus 1 tick, I knew that there was going to be some short selling here, and actually I got in front of it. I shorted it at 41, which is right about here, and then I took a little bit of heat thinking it's going to break to the highs, but so I placed my stop, like I think it was 51 is what I placed it. So at that point I was down about, I'm not sure, even maybe 40 or 50 ticks, I think, at that point. So I took my last and final trade, and so what I should have done is wait for this kind of price action, and I could have, I guess, eliminated my loser. But because today I got caught up in this price movement here, so when this was forming, I knew right away that there was interested sellers at this level. So especially if this is a 1 minute chart, and all of them are just kind of ranging between anywhere from uh, 4 ticks to as tall as 18 ticks. So when it puts out a 42 tick range on a bar, I was interested in selling at this level right away. So that's the reason for my last and final trade. So as you can see how fast that tape is relative to the to the candle. I don't know if you saw that. You may want to rewind again. Anyhow, so I rode this one up. My target was at I believe was 95 I think is where I got stopped out because you know, trade left or look left, trade right. So I was looking at this level and this candle caught my attention. As you can see, it slammed it down, immediately reverses and came back up. So I knew that there's going to be potential buyers, at this area here. So as a result, um, there's where I took my target. Really, I think I was 91 or 95. I'm not sure anymore. So having said that, it broke me. It put me back to the green. Having a loser yesterday. I lost 30 ticks yesterday. So today, I guess pushed me back on the green. So I erased yesterday's loss to bring it today, and I have to say today was not really a good trading day, even though I'm on the positive, just because I pretty much maxed out on my trade. As a result, I broke my rule, my actual rule of no more than 40 ticks, so I should have stopped, and I took one last chance, even though my rule says I can't trade anymore past 40 ticks worth of loss. So I broke the rule just because I saw this opportunity. I even thought that I was gonna get stopped out because of that, because I took it at 41, and then like I said, I took about 6 ticks worth of heat here. Anyways, that's it for me today. Just wanted to document this or put it in my channel, just because of um, I know something I might be able to learn from this in the future. Rewatching all this channel, but a lot of it mainly, was the tape reading. Today was the tape was very very easy to read. So as soon as I got in sync, I knew to put in the actual risk. When I actually worked early this morning, that's why I'm still here at about 10:30 now. I worked early, I got in, and then I started trading right away, which was kind of foolish. It was kind of outside of my normal trading schedule, where in the morning I'd go in, I'd wake up, drink my cup of coffee, read, and then when my mental state is good, my trading state is good, then I'll start trading. Well, today it was it was outside of my normal schedule, where I just got off of work, I came home, turned on my computer. As soon as I started seeing the chart, I immediately assume I can just read the price right away. So I put on a couple of trades, and next thing you know, I lost like 5 trades in a row, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So which is probably not good. Anyways, but they're small losses. They're like 4 ticks worth of loss per trade. So, and then I started breaking even, and then that would have been a telltale sign for me that I needed to get acclimated with with price action before I started trading. So that was my biggest mistake today, and I just wanted to talk about that one. So hopefully, if you're listening and following my channel, you know, learn from my mistakes. Anyhow, I'm almost done here. I see you guys on the next video. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you have any questions, just drop me a line. I'll try my best to answer it right away. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.